Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. For a couple of years, I had another Hydrapeak water bottle, lost it, and I was really upset. So I was so happy when I was able to find and replace it with this 32-ounce insulated water bottle. I like how the opening is wide enough to be able to fit ice cubes in it. And when you take cold ice water, it stays cold for such a long time. The mouth is perfect to drink out of. I love the opening that's bigger like this, and then you can just screw on the lid and it stays on tightly. Easy to carry with a little handle that it has to take it to carry. And I love how it's leak proof. You can just shake it up and side down and no water ever leaks out. So if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable water bottle that you're gonna love so much that you'll probably end up having to buy another one, then this is the one I highly recommend. And that is just my point of view.